Hey everybody, today we are going to film a truly unique floor plan. This is a River Ranch and it is model number 390FL. Now what makes this floor model so unique is if you look down the side, see these storage doors? Basically it's one floor. There's no steps inside. Once you get up the stairs to get inside, it is all one level. Now most fifth wheels have got steps to go up to the front or sometimes steps to go to the back. This is all one level. Everything underneath is all storage. Look at all the storage. This whole back, the whole thing, it's all storage. Now, awnings. You've got awnings that cover the entire side of the coach, the entire side. In the back, there is a ladder. So you get all the way up to the top, do all your stuff that you need to do on the roof. Pre-wired for if you're on backup camera. All right, 50 amp. You see back here, it is on auto reel. So you don't have to handle the cord, you just have to press a button. All your sewer connections are up here. Connect right there. And if I remember somewhere, right in here are your panels. That's for your slides. So even though this coach is digital, this is your brain system, there's a manual switch for everything. So just in case something happens with the electronics, you've got a manual switch for everything. Now this is your cutoff switch for your batteries. So if you park this for any kind of time, just hit that switch, it'll turn the batteries off. Here's your other side of your propane. Let's look at the weight. Now this is gonna be a very heavy unit. 17,000, almost 18,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. All right, so let's go inside. Oh, before we do, this has got the upgraded Flex Air pin box. And you do have storage up front. That is where you would also put your generator, okay? Let's go inside and check this sucker out. All right. My man, keeping it safe. Wow. So look at this. Remember I said it's all one floor? Like there's no steps. Once you get up in here, it is all one level. So once you're in, you're in. Isn't that amazing? And for those who have kids or dogs, there's a safety rail here. So you could just close this at night and not worry about the steps. So let's take a look at this thing, right? Hey, fancy meeting you here.
I know, right? Isn't this great?
This is a huge kitchen. Look at that.
It is.
That is one of the biggest islands I think I've seen.
It is, and this has a great sink here. It's got all these nice little trays. You can customize the sink for your needs. There's a cutting board, another tray in there. We have back here a 4-burner stove.
Oh yeah, it's a residential stove, full oven too, right?
Yes, full-size microwave, absolutely an oven, yes. There's lots of storage everywhere. We've got drawers and storage spaces all over the place.
This island is so big, you could do a cooking show here.
I think we could.
Hello, today we're gonna make the flamme. Sorry, I couldn't. Oh yeah, nice residential fridge, LG, yeah. Awesome.
Trays underneath.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that nice?
You know what we missed in the island?
What's that?
It's got power towers, or like I say, tower of power. Here's your little dinette. By the way, look at the decor. I mean, the woodwork. I mean, it's understated, but the color scheme, everything matches. Look at how beautiful this is, right? Absolutely amazing. Now, tall guys. This is called Tall Man RV Review. Lisa, let's show them. Okay, now, I promise you, when that is running, you're gonna freak out. There's one in the bedroom, I'll show you, it's running. So, not best. If you're a tall guy, I'm 6'4", and this is running, don't put your hand up, okay? It'll be in the fan. I just gotta let y'all know that. All right, now that I've said that, dinette, look at that. Look at the chairs. I mean, aren't they beautiful? Absolutely exquisite. They swivel. Absolutely beautiful. Now, that table does go up and there's a couple chairs that can go in there. All right, you do have day-night shades. That's the day, that's the night. And look at those sofas, all right? These are electric recliners that sit right in front of what looks to be a 55 or 60-inch TV. Look at that.
Fireplace.
And a 40-inch Furrion fireplace. I know my wife loves that because she's always cold. Because it puts out heat, all right? This is a sofa that pulls out. So if you have extra people spending the night, this can be their bed. And there is storage all up there. There's some storage here. And the other thing that's nice, you also notice up top, there's no air conditioning unit sticking down. This is a whisper quiet unit. All the air conditioning units are up on the roof and everything is 100% ducted, so it's much more quiet. Wow.
This huge walk-in pantry.
That, holy moly, I'm actually in the pantry. Wow. Walk-in pantry. Come on in. Join the party. All right, back here to the back. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Tall Man's Toilet Test.
Okay, this is an immediate thumbs up. There's room everywhere in here. Front, back, sides. This is one of the most comfortable bathrooms that I've been in a while. All right, now speaking of which, look at this bathroom. 2 counter-mounted bowls, so elegant, huge countertop. Look at this. This has got to go back to a little more than 2.5 feet. It is absolutely huge. The underneath storage as well, it's just enormous. Now the reason is because this is on a part of a slide, and so you get some extra depth back there. That is absolutely beautiful. Behind the door, I'm not going to show you, but there's some cabinetry back here as well. All right, so the shower. I wanted to make sure there was no glass there. Now you see there's a nice bench. So if you're in here and you want to shave your legs or just take a break while you're taking a shower, it's got a little bench for you. All right. Now again, I can get all my tippy toes in here, guys. Look, plenty of height. I'm not even in the bubble. Again, I know it's a skylight, but I call it a bubble. The glass doors, the shower enclosure, it's almost completely above my head. So for a tall guy or a tall girl, this is going to be perfect. Plenty of room left and right, plenty of room forwards and backwards. The shower head is hung in the right place. This is an awesome bathroom. Awesome bathroom, one of the best. So let's go into the bedroom. Into the bedroom. All right, remember that fan I was talking about? There it is running. And if my wife would show you, right? I mean, that's pretty close. So don't put your hand up if you're a tall guy, okay? So I'm sitting on the bed looking this way, and there is another fireplace, 40-inch fireplace right in front of the bed, and this is a televator. I bet that is at least a 42, if not 50-inch TV that goes up. So during the day, if you want to look out, TV down. At night, when you want to watch TV, TV up. Absolutely amazing. You got storage there. Up front, look, all this glass, right? So if you need to see what you're getting dressed in, you got glass everywhere. Behind this door, if you want to do a washer and dryer, this is where that would go. So this is where you wash and dry your hookups. And then everything else, this is where the rest of the closet is. Right? Look at these cubbies back there. It's kind of hard to see because it's a little bit dark. Let me see if that'll go on for me. No, it won't. Okay? But generous closet, hanging rack, storage, and then above all of this, there's storage up top too. All right, guys, we hope you love this. This is such a unique floor plan. This is the very first time we've ever been in this. Let us know what you think of this floor design, it being all one level. Leave us a comment down there. Now, if you're a current subscriber and coming back and watching this, we love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Don't we, Lisa? We love them so much.
Absolutely.
If you've just recently found us, do us a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button while you're at it too, okay? And guess what? We'll see you on the road in the next one. Be safe.